Okay guys, I believe this is going to be the last video of the series. 8 videos, all full of information to help you guys out. In the last video we ended with how to do this Google to find all kinds of cool information to how to help you promote your race for future years. And we just have a few more tabs left to go through on this left hand side. Donations, pretty easy. We set it up in the content in, I believe, video 1 or 2 to kind of talk about videos, donations and whatnot, but they have all kinds of cool things that you can do to kind of set a goal. If you have a goal of a specific amount, you can do that. Donation levels, you can do fundraising, all kinds of cool things. And at any time you have a question about this, you can go up at the top and you can search all kinds of stuff. So just because I haven't done it specifically doesn't mean you can't. So donation, let's say you type in donations and you want to find out how to do a fundraiser. You just want to click here and it's going to take you directly to the link, Race Fundraisers, and it's going to help you set it up, and it's very, very easy to follow. Again, if you have any questions about this at any time, you can go up to this search engine and type in what you need. And you can also send me an email at any time, and I will look into it to help you out the best that I can. Again, my email is ricky@aptiming.com. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Bilbo's 5K because I was still on the one that I was showing you with Google. We just talked about donations and all these cool little things that you can do with that. But I believe, honestly, the main thing is with these local 5Ks is just add that donation tab onto your online registration, just to allow people to add a donation if they want to. If you have a big event and you want to have some type of fundraising to hopefully increase the money that you make, this is the way to do it. You have a store tab, and I honestly don't know anything about this that much because I haven't used it at all. I believe you can sell items. I believe you can set up, like, if you have something specific like a wristband that you'd like to sell. Let's say the event ends and you have 50 t-shirts left and you want to try to sell them. I believe this would be the way to do it. I'm actually going to do that with a few events that I put on last year. I have a lot of t-shirts left, I just haven't done it yet. So once I do that, maybe I'll be able to explain this section with a little bit of detail, but I still think it is very easy to follow, and that is how that tab functions. Financial, is just the summary of the money that you made. So as you can see, you've had nobody sign up online because this is not live, nothing. This is the place to go. So you can see how many people signed up here. You can see the payment of, this is the money that you've made for the race, and this is how much they owe you. As you can see down here, I don't know if you can because of the little button. I don't know if my window is wide enough, but over here it says category registrations and donations. You can see just how much each one of them is made. But again, this is just kind of giving you an overview of how much you've made. Payment setup will be how you want to get paid. This will take you back to the payment section that we talked about, or you have the option to do a direct deposit or a manual check. Getting back to financial pricing, all those cool things. They have a lot of the same stuff in multiple places, because as you can see, we did age-based pricing up above, we did club membership up above, we did coupons up above, all kinds of things in a few places. And again, if at any point you can't find anything, let's say you want to add a coupon and you can't find it, just go to this little search engine and you want to hit pricing coupons, and it's going to take you to the spot that you need to get to. If you need to invoice anything, you can do that, which as being a race, I don't really see what you could invoice. I take that back. You could invoice, let's say you have a company that has 100 people sign up that does your race, and the company is going to pay for everyone's fees. at the end of the race, you can send them an invoice of how much that company owes you. So 100 people, 20 bucks a piece, you can invoice them for $2,000. You'll be able to send them a link so they can sign, so that they can pay directly on that link to pay for that registration fee, and then you will get it directly into the method that you wanted to be paid. So if it was direct deposit, you would be able to get direct deposited the next day, and if you did a check, you get the check within the next week. Tax ID, again, is if you have a tax exempt status, this is going to go right here. Account numbers. I don't think this has anything to do with much. To be honest with you, I wouldn't even mess with it. Unless if you have specific money, like let's say you have an event with a 5K run that goes to such and such, a 10K run that goes to such and such, this would be how you would do that. But again, I have not seen anything like that, so let's just leave that alone. If you come across that and you need some help, just let me know. And then sales tax, pretty simple. Volunteers, you can set up a volunteer event. Again, pretty easy. Just kind of follow info, location, tell them what place to go to, and then just hit save and continue. Again, volunteers, pretty basic, not really needed, but if it is, we'll talk about it. And actually, I think you can do volunteers this way. If you want to go to the dashboard, Grace Wizard. No, that is not it. So just disregard that. But I believe that is everything that I've found to be a necessity, especially with the creating a race, t-shirt sizes, how you type those in so that people can get it, how to view what t-shirt sizes that you need so that you can buy them when it's needed, how to upload bank information. So if you want to do direct deposit, you can simply put in your routing number and your checking account number, and you will have that, and you have the options of getting that direct deposit daily, weekly, or monthly. So if you have funds into the race that you need to get a hold of to buy something, you can get that direct deposit each day. But if you have enough money into the race that you don't need the money until the end, you can do it monthly. We also talked about how to type in anybody that sent in a mailed application. That is very useful so that everybody gets inserted by the deadline. The deadline is always going to be the day ahead of the event at either 7 or 8 a.m. unless if you have a packet pickup. If you have a packet pickup, we will have to talk about a game plan to get the bids to you ahead of time. We also talked about how to do a Facebook tab. All you have to do is copy the code, put it into the Facebook promotion tab, hit add registration and save setting, and it's going to pop up a sign up tab under your Facebook. And I believe that is everything that is needed with run sign up and AP timing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed these videos very much. I hope that you find them very useful. And again, if you have any questions at any time, you can always go to this little search engine up at the top, type in anything that you need, say Facebook, promotion Facebook. It's going to take you to the exact same page, but again, if you didn't know how to get to it, go there. And if at any point you can't find something, just shoot me an email at ricky@aptiming.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Again, I hope you all enjoy these videos, and thank you all for checking out Appalachian Timing Group.